Changing the language on Polybuzz is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, you need to log in to your Polybuzz account and navigate to the Settings section. This can be found by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen and selecting Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you are in the Settings section, you need to click on the Language tab, which is usually located on the left side of the screen. In this tab, you will see a list of available languages that you can choose from. Polybuzz supports multiple languages, including English, Spanish, French, and many others. To change the language, simply click on the language you want to use and it will be applied immediately. You can also use the search bar to find a specific language if you cannot find it in the list after selecting your preferred language. You may need to refresh the page or log out and log back in for the changes to take effect. It is worth noting that changing the language on Polybuzz will only affect the interface and not the content posted by other users. If you want to view content in a specific language, you can use the translation feature provided by Polybuzz or use a third-party translation tool. In addition to changing the language, you can also customize other settings on Polybuzz, such as notification preferences and account security. These settings can be found in the same settings section where you changed the language. Overall, changing the language on Polybuzz is a simple process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps, you can customize your Polybuzz experience to suit your language preferences and make it easier to use the platform.